For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A regulatory body for private hospitals in West Bengal has directed hospitals to cap prices on COVID treatment. Private hospitals in West Bengal have been asked to provide discounts to patients on medicines and bed charges. The West Bengal Clinical Establishment Regulatory Commission issued a number of advisories to private hospitals. The decision comes after the Regulatory Commission received several complaints over inflated bills, especially from COVID-19 patients. Private hospitals have been directed to provide at least 10% discount on medicines and other charges. We have received complaints that during this pandemic situation, some hospitals have increased charges of beds, so we decided to advise them to bring that down to what it was on or before March 1st this year. The hospitals should either provide a 10% discount on drugs or allow patient parties to purchase medicines from outside. Most of the medicine shops provide a 20% discount. The Commission also asked private hospitals in the state to provide 20% discount on cotton, syringe and bandage to in-house patients. Private hospitals should also display the charges of all forms of treatment at the reception. The Commission has fixed doctor consultation fee at 1,000 rupees per visit and a maximum of 2,000 rupees for more than one visit. In a strict warning, the Commission said hospitals should not turn away patients in any circumstances. The Commission has capped prices on bed charges in private hospitals. The cost of general isolation beds must be between 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per day. ICU beds must be within the price range of 8,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees a day. Meanwhile, ICU beds with ventilators must be priced between 12,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees per day. The Commission said private hospitals must equally support the government in the fight against COVID-19. Group CEO of Amri Hospitals, Rupak Barua, said the medical cost is revised every financial year.
Medical cost is revised every financial year by 5 to 10% after considering the inflation rate. The same was done this year too, but bed rates were not increased for COVID treatment. We have let the government know that private hospitals are there to support the state's fight against the pandemic, and we're always at the service of the people.
The Commission has received complaints about specific private hospitals charging expensive bills. The Commission directed Desun Hospital in Kolkata to pay 10 lakh rupee fine for demanding 3 lakh rupees admission fee from a COVID-19 patient. The hospital was barred from taking any advance payment from patients.